everybody. I'm Hung from Young Education, and now I will talk about a very interesting topic, that is the limits of lying. So first, I will talk about the psychologist named Dan Ariely. He became interested in dishonesty about 15 years ago, like in a long distance flight. He's boring, so he came across an ugly test in a magazine. He answered the first question and checked the answer key to see if he got it right, and then he took a, he took a quick look to the next answer before looking back to the quiz. Continue in this way many times, and when he finished the test, he scored very well. So he, he said that when I finished, I thought I've cheated myself. So why did he do that? Um, in my opinion, I think he want to prove that his himself is smart, and the experience led early to develop a lifelong interest in study of lying and other forms of dishonesty. So to find out more about the lying habits, he developed a series of studies known as matrix experiments. So the experiments were in the experiments, volunteer will complete a test with 20 simple math problems. They were given 5 minutes to solve it, and for each correct answer they get a sum of money. When the time was up, the paper is destroying in the shredder, and after reporting their own test score, they were paid accordingly. So, but there's something the volunteers didn't know. The answer sheet were never actually destroyed. By comparing actual test score to reported scores, Airlys find that there are a lot of volunteer lied, and in and the result, in 40,000 people who participated in this experiment, nearly 70% of them lied about their test score. On average, volunteers said that they solved 6 problems, but it was 4, and the results is similar across the different cultures. So, the question he find is the most interesting is, why not so many of us lie, but why don't we lie a lot? In other experiments, the volunteer are more paid more money for each correct answer, but in this time in this time they did not cost this did not cost them to cheat more. So here we give people a chance to steal lots of money, but they don't take it. So something stop us from not lying all the way. The reason I really believe that is that we want to see ourselves as honest, because honesty is a value that taught by the society, and we may able to come up with an excuse. For example, we may able to come up with an excuse to take a post note in the office, but it is more difficult to take an excuse for taking $10,000. So, extent of our lying is rely on what is acceptable by the society. And cheating is easy, but when we can justify our behavior. This is the end of my talk about the limits of lying. Thank you for your listening.